Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Mud Island in Memphis, Tennessee. We're driving around Island Place in the residential area on this small peninsula between the Mississippi River and Wolf River Harbor. Mud Island is not actually an island, but a stretch of land formed by river sediment that became permanent around the turn of the 20th century. This neighborhood area includes homes, streets, and waterfront properties that are part of the Harbortown community on Mud Island. Harbortown was developed as a walkable, mixed-use neighborhood with housing and amenities north of the Interstate 40 corridor. Mud Island also has a marina and connections to walking and biking trails that follow the river's edge. Homes along Island Place reflect a range of architectural styles typical of Harbortown's waterfront community. Driving here gives you a view of suburban-style streets right next to one of Memphis's most notable riverfront landscapes. Thank you for joining us on this drive on Mud Island in Memphis, Tennessee.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!